ba, nagamit ba itong tubo na ito? Dapat kayo. Opo.
Here's 6, 7, oh, it's the best. Oh, it's so slow.
Paghataw ng tubo sa kanila.
Oh, that's only weight.
Okay. Nung nakikita niyo sila, paano sinasaktan si Adelpa?
Bali po yung picture niyang anak, nasa gilid po sila,
And that's only weight. And this one is to be Tegu.
Nung panahon na ba yun? Lumalaban
Finish
pa?
its head now. Wow. So, I'm gonna color here. Not in the white. I color in the white. To be in the green.
Okay, so kayo pala yung unang gumamit ng tubo?
Opo.
Pero again, kinuha niyo yung tubo dahil dalawa sila sumusunod sa inyo.
Opo, dalawa po sila, sir.
Okay lang naman. No? Again, reasonable necessity of the means. Isa ka lang, dalawa sila. Pero patulong sa'yo.
Then that's only color in the green. In the 6, 7. So, green always now gonna green. So, we're gonna color it carefully, not and the green always in the outside. Okay. And it's blue. I said pink and red. I forgot in here. Look, it has one black. Press the.
Nag-start na ba yung conciliation proceedings? Meron na bang mangyaring pag-uusap?
Wala po po kasi po hindi po sila ng grabe kong umaga para po sa mag-complain wala po dumating.
Okay.
Uy, so fine now.